Yo, what is up, everybody? Matty Ice here, and in Canada, Ottawa, first day snowfall, so you know it's getting icy. The vibes are aligning, so we got an unboxing for you today by Talking Terps. Got the Terps all over. Terp Crawford's chilling too. We got everybody here. Maya's over there. She's watching from the sideline. My #1 supporter, Maya the Husky. It's our channel together. We're always working together, right, Maya? She's supervising right now. Oh, we get an orange Talking Terps collector box. I have a green one. I thought it was gonna be the same one, but dang! Now we get. I kind of didn't really think about that. Now we get the orange. Damn, I've never seen this one. Like sometimes I would go on online to see like the resellers and stuff, but never seen this one. That's beautiful. And I thought it was gonna like get damaged from ship because they didn't really package it that crazy. But all there is a little dent, and it looks pretty good. Another beautiful decoration to add. I'll probably keep the product in here for now. Is there anything? Oh yeah, it's just okay. Oh yo, I got a dope postcard too. This art is fire. That's so nice. Oh, it looks a lot like the potato salad art, like the $3,000 art they have right now. That's so nice. I'm gonna want to frame that, and then you get your holographic. So this is part of their Greater Depths collection, where they did like a collaboration with these people called like Aquatic something. I forget the company name. Original Talking Terps garment item, Greater Depths. That's what this one's called. All rights reserved. So we got the holographic authentication card and number 63, which is surprising. I guess no one is medium because there was only medium left in stock. That's another thing I'm really nervous about, is to see how the medium fits. The large shirt that I bought in the past is actually pretty big, so I don't know. We're gonna have to see if it fits. I hope it fits good, because then I'll know for future orders too if I should stick to large or medium. And medium seem to last longer, so apparently they got a lot of bigger, taller, chunkier people. I guess the smokers get a bit more chubby in the tubby, if you know what I mean. Some smokers are more active. Like, I'm a pretty active smoker. That's why I stay so skinny. And then I got these bonus Talking Terps keychains. I forgot the word. I'm trying to collect all their keychains. So and I love the Sleepy Dog one. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna collect them all because they're all so dope. And they kind of upgraded them since last time. They even put like the logo on the back. They seem a bit more thick now, a bit more high quality. So we got the Sleepy Dog in pink. I love the Sleepy Dog logo. I'm so glad I'm finally got a product with the Sleepy Dog. I do have a Sleepy Dog mini poster that I ripped out of the magazine that I hang up on my wall, because you can go check that out. The collector's edition High Times Talking Terps magazine, if you want to learn more about them. I did a video on that too, or you can just go read it online to see their article. And then I got the sunflower one. And this one's nice because it's got like green on the back. It's kind of like got this metallic shine to it with the print. I thought it was even going to be metal, but no, it's just like much higher quality than their older one. You can go check out some of my previous Talking Terps hauls. I think in my very first video ever, I got one of the keychain there with this sweater. That was my very first video. And then I forget where I got the other one, but it's in one of my other Talking Terps unboxings. And now for the main item. Dun, 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 dun. The Greater Depths shirt. The other one was really fire, the other one that they released for this collection, but that one sold out like right away. It was more like, I guess it was more hype, more limited. And I love the designs on this, so I was like, you know what? I need to get this. It was a need. It wasn't a want. You know, when things are like that, it's more of a need than a want. Like, I would have robbed a Roblox bank for it. Not a real bank. Talking Terps, so you can even scan this to learn more about it. Underwater special. Maybe you get like a limited edition video or something. I'm gonna scan that after and see what it comes up with. If there's anything interesting, maybe I'll include that in the video too. Okay, where is the seal? How do we undead stock this item? This is like a prime seal. There isn't even a fold on this. This is literally a freaking full sealed bag. Like, you know there's no tampering because It's not even a fold like tape seal. It's literally welded shut. Okay, so we crack it open. Oh, those colors. I'm scared about the print though. I wish they used like water-based ink or something, because the prints are so beautiful, but they're so big and like I don't want them to crack. That's one thing. I don't even usually buy prints for that reason. Oh, the front of it is beautiful. This design with talking terps. Like, I just love the sunflower farm. I think that's who does all these designs. The sunflower farm, like trippy, psychedelic, splashy designs he does, and then how he incorporates it into everything. Like, they got the sea life here. Brings everything alive. I really love it. You got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blue dye too. Blue's my favorite, so you know I love this. It looks like it's a pretty good size too. And I know I'm not going to dry it or anything, so usually stays pretty true to size. I think they pre-wash it also. I'll post all the details in the description. I'll just copy pasta from the website, all the details for the shirt if you're really interested. Or you can go check out their website if you want Talking Terps. Yeah, details always in the description. And stay tuned till the end if you want to see very close details, 4K macro lens up close with flashlight. So yeah, I just had to get these designs. And then a big design on the back. The only complaint is I don't like print. So if there was some embroidery, that would have been nice, but then they got their beautiful tag. They're keeping it OG since 2019. Talking Terps tag. I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna go eat some Fruit Loops after this. Alright. Now to try it on and show you guys what it looks like. Pretty decent quality products too. Like it's just like a high quality shirt. The other one has been lasting out pretty well as well. So yeah, time to try it on and preview time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Look at this doggy. She's like, I'm bored. Hey Maya, look what I got. Maya, look. Maya, look what I got. I got a new Talking Terp shirt. Why are you so tired and cute? Sorry. And how does the medium fit? It's like very fitted. Cause that's the thing I noticed about on the large is the neck is like very fitted. So this is like a choker almost. And same with like the shoulders. But it's like perfectly fitted because I'm like a perfect medium. I can even fit into small sometimes. But if it shrunk any more on the neck, it would be like choking me. It's kind of good how it's tight on the neck. And it'll probably stretch a bit anyways, so can't go wrong with that. Such beautiful design. And it's like comfy and everything too. And you can tell, I'm pretty sure it's been pre-washed. So yeah, I'm like 5'11", skinny, long torso, but I'm like a perfect medium. Yeah. Definitely gonna stick to the large though. I like an oversized fit. I don't like it like fitted, you know, I like loose. Like the neck is it's like too much for me. If the neck wasn't like this, medium would be fine. Cause it's like, the body's like perfect. Like the length of the torso is perfect. The shoulders are a little bit tight. That's why it'd be like, I wish there was like in between medium. They should make like a in between medium and large size, just so it could have the large neck and shoulders, but then like a medium torso. Yeah, that's about it. It would make sense too for like people who are more like workout, but I guess the stoners aren't ripped, you know. Anyways, it's fire. So happy with it. The blue's nice too. Only thing I was kind of sad about is like I already have a blue tie-dye one, so that's why I wanted the gray one, but oh well. The design's super worth it, and more in the future.
Matches the pants too.